What is Chat GPT? I am ChatGPT, a large language model developed by OpenAI based on the GPT-3 architecture. As a language model, my purpose is to generate human-like responses to text-based prompts and questions. I have been trained on a massive corpus of text data, allowing me to generate coherent and contextually appropriate responses on a wide range of topics. Users can interact with me through various channels, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and other applications, to receive information, answer questions, and carry out other natural language processing tasks. Can you write a MATLAB code for plot a sinusoidal graph? Certainly. Here's an example MATLAB code to plot a sinusoidal graph. What is a sinusoidal graph? A sinusoidal graph is a type of graph that represents a periodic function that oscillates between two extreme values over time. It is also called a sine wave or sinusoid. The basic equation for a sinusoidal function is show the graph of sinusoidal. Certainly. Here is an example of a sinusoidal graph.